Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Bentley GT versus Aston Martin DB12. We'll explore their performance, interior luxury, and overall value to help you decide which Grand Tourer is the better fit. These two iconic British marques offer incredible power and refinement, but they approach luxury and driving dynamics differently. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to raw power, the Bentley Continental GT Speed with its hybrid V8 boasts an impressive 771 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of 3.1 seconds. The Aston Martin DB12, while slightly less powerful at 671 horsepower, still delivers exhilarating performance, hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. Bentley offers all-wheel drive for confident handling, while Aston Martin maintains a traditional rear-wheel drive setup for a more engaging feel. Step inside, and both vehicles immerse you in luxury. The Bentley Continental GT showcases a unique rotating display, allowing you to switch between a 12.3-inch touchscreen, analog gauges, or a clean veneer panel. Aston Martin's DB12 counters with a bespoke 10.25-inch high-resolution touchscreen, featuring its first in-house infotainment system. Both brands excel in offering exquisite hand-stitched leather, fine wood veneers, and extensive personalization to create a truly unique cabin. Considering value, the Bentley Continental GT Speed typically starts around $296,950, offering a blend of immense power and ultimate luxury. The Aston Martin DB12, with its starting price of approximately $249,000, presents a compelling super tourer experience. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize Bentley's opulent comfort and hybrid power, or Aston Martin's sharper, more driver-focused dynamics. Both are exceptional, but cater to slightly different tastes. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.